Okay, today's infrared sauna question is for Natalie. This is on Clearlight Outdoor Saunas. It says, "Hi Matt, do you have any thoughts or experience with the outdoor Clearlight models? My husband and I have been researching far infrared saunas for a little bit and came across your videos. Very helpful for cutting through a lot of the review noise that's out there on the web. As it happens, the only spot we can set up a sauna is on our roof deck. We live in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and houses are fairly narrow. There isn't a lot of space for a big wooden cabinet. Plus we need something that can withstand, man, I can't read today or I can't talk today. Which one is it? Plus we need something that can withstand really cold temperatures in winter as well as rain, snow, etc. We were looking at Sunlight and Radiant Health, but neither seem to have a true outdoor application." Correct. Clearlight, which I guess is owned by Jacuzzi, yes it is, does. This is the model that we're looking at. She points to the 2-person sanctuary outdoor model. I know you're very diligent about not making claims about units you haven't tested, and I don't think you've tested the outdoor model. I have not. But would you recommend any other Clearlight model besides the Premier? Thanks in advance for your time. No, absolutely not. There's two things that stand out about your question. Number one, if you're gonna place this on a rooftop and it has no protection from any type of sun, rain, wind, anything, you want an outdoor sauna. You gotta have something that has insulated panels. That's point number two. If you're gonna use it in the wintertime, you're never gonna get away with putting an uninsulated sauna outside and expect it to preheat in less than 2 hours. It's just not gonna happen. It won't work well. You are correct. I usually don't like to comment about saunas that I haven't personally tested. However, I haven't tested an outdoor model because I don't have a 220 hookup or space to do it, but it does use the exact same heaters that are in the other saunas. So the EMF specs and test should come back exactly the same. I feel confident in that. It's gonna be your best option for an outdoor infrared sauna. It's what I would buy if I was in your situation. In this case, I would not buy a Sunlight, I would not buy Radiant Health, and I would not buy a Clearlight Premier. If you stick those on a roof of a building, they're going to, one, probably blow the breaker the first time it rains because they don't have any type of a roof structure, so you'd have to build something. Two, they're not gonna heat up well in really cold temperatures like you're saying because they don't have insulated walls. And three, you would pretty much have to encapsulate them in an additional lanai room or screened-in room or something like that to keep the wind and the rain from ruining the exterior. So I wouldn't recommend that. The Clearlight Outdoor, it's gonna be a little bit more expensive, but it's gonna be your best option. It's gonna work the best. It's weatherproof and it'll work really well for your application. That's definitely what I would recommend. If you have other questions, let me know. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.